Hey everyone, welcome to this video series on Cloud Project Manager 101, the Cloud Fundamentals. In these three videos, we will explore the concepts essential for a Cloud Project Manager, a role that transcends technology, leadership, and strategic planning. In the previous two videos, we looked at both technical expertise and essential project management skills. But how do these skills and tools come together in real-world projects? To answer that, let's walk through the execution of a cloud implementation project. Let's start with a high-level overview of a typical cloud implementation project. The process begins with assessment and planning, where we evaluate the current infrastructure, define the project scope, and establish clear objectives. Next is design and architecture, focusing on creating a cloud environment that meets the project needs and including selecting services and planning migration strategies. Implementation and migration follows, where the migration plan is executed, cloud resources are configured, and functionality is thoroughly tested. Finally, we move into optimization and management, which involves fine-tuning resources, monitoring performance, and ensuring smooth ongoing operations. With this in mind, let's dive into the initial stages, which is project initiation and planning. In the project initiation phase, we define the project's objectives, scope, and deliverables. Key tasks here include identifying stakeholders, establishing communication channels, and securing approvals and funding. Once initiated, we move into project planning, where we develop a detailed roadmap. This plan outlines tasks, timelines, resource allocation, and dependencies, ensuring the project stays on track. Cloud service selection is the next step, where we evaluate and choose services that align with cost, scalability, and security requirements. Finally, the architecture design. This focuses on building a solid foundation. This involves designing the network topology, security infrastructure, and data storage solutions to meet project and industry standards. With this planning complete, we are ready to move into execution. Now let's look at the execution phase, where the plan comes to life. In cloud implementation, we set up the environment. This includes configuring networks, deploying servers, and integrating cloud services. Data migration is a crucial part of this phase, whether using lift and shift, phased migration, or database replication. Careful planning ensures data integrity and seamless transfer. Next is training and documentation, where teams are equipped with the skills and knowledge to manage the new systems effectively. Comprehensive documentation ensures smooth operations and long-term knowledge transfer. Finally, monitoring and optimization, which focuses on tracking system performance, identifying opportunities for improvement, and optimizing resources for cost efficiency and reliability. As we wrap up execution, it's important to address other key considerations that ensure long-term success. There are several critical factors to address throughout and after the project. First, security and compliance are paramount. This involves implementing robust security measures, access controls, and encryption while adhering to industry-specific regulations. Next, deployment and post-deployment activities, which focus on structured testing, validation, and monitoring to maintain system stability and resolve any issues. In project closure, we formalize the end of the project by archiving documents, conducting reviews, and documenting lessons learned. This ensures smooth knowledge transfer for future initiatives. Finally, continuous improvement. This is essential in a dynamic cloud environment. Regular feedback, performance evaluations, and iterative enhancements drive ongoing success and innovation. With these steps and considerations in place, a cloud implementation project can deliver transformative results while ensuring operational efficiency and resilience. As we wrap up, remember that being a cloud project manager is about staying informed, adaptable, and focused on business outcomes. Mastering the technology stack, refining your skills, and applying structured methodologies will set you apart. Cloud technology evolves rapidly, offering new challenges and opportunities. Whether you're driving innovation, ensuring cost efficiency, or leading teams to success, your role is critical to shaping the digital future. Thank you for staying with me throughout these 3 videos. For more details, you can check out the Cloud Project Manager 101 blog on programstrategyhq.com. I wish you the very best and success in your cloud project management journey. Thank you.